Gusto ko lang ng place kung saan pwede kong itago. But at the same time, i-share yung mga fun memories. Sabi nga nila, sharing is caring. Every day, we learn something new. YouTube is a place where you can learn a lot of things from different people. And I think people who view my videos will benefit from it by the places I've been to, sharing my idea of good food, and just to enjoy the captured moments in life. For some, oo. For some, hindi. Pero, depende naman yan sa'yo. Kung trip mo, stay tuned. Kung hindi, then stop the video. In the future, for sure, there will be improvements in editing. More places to go. And of course, more food to enjoy. The goal is to keep it raw and simple. Subscribe.